people here. They can't drive us here. What's the problem? Yeah, give them. Give them. We can see everything. Evidence. 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 Taxi drivers. Video, everybody make a video. We put everybody video.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Now ama-foreigners alwa lapha eJohannesburg ngemva kokuthi baqosha refuse ekuhamba base bawathathela stock abhoke ngelilanga ama-foreigner athi njena anikwendi lokho. Siyeva naba bagqwele lana babanga msindo abayathetha bayakhulumela bavuka ngelilanga. Yabona ama-foreigners kahle kahlana imandla uma ngabe bewatmisela kahle ama-foreigners alwele their own countries bewanganqoba but awafaka imfutho awafaka amandla ekulweleni their own countries but afaka amandla ekuhlaleni eSouth Africa ekuthengiseni eSouth Africa ngengane ekungena emakliniki public clinics and public hospitals ase-South Africa but abalweli their own countries. I-energy yabo ngathi kuyadeplete uma kumele ilwele their own countries because kulwela tintala South Africa banemandla bafika balwe emakliniki emagedini ukuthi bafuna ama-services balwe kuthengisa enzaweni without permit without maphepha banganalutho bayalwa la South Africa but when it comes to fighting for their own countries abalwe inkosi yami ngiko ngeza ukuthi mabangabe bawufaka lo mfutho labawufaka la South Africa uma ngabe bebawufaka to their own countries bebadonqoba but for some reasons they don't want to fight for their countries. They don't want to fight for their countries ukuthi ama-countries abo kube i-country le-right but connecting sabaphile kahle njengala South Africa but la South Africa the energy labanayo it's just on another level. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.